The successful installation and commissioning of valves in any process system demands meticulous attention to detail. Each protocol is crafted not just to ensure the immediate functionality of equipment, but also its long-term performance and safety. The process begins with a thorough approach to valve orientation and alignment. Before a valve ever comes online, it must be positioned correctly within the pipeline, following the flow direction as indicated by the manufacturer. This ensures optimal opening and closing, mitigates turbulence, and prevents undue stress on seals and internal components. Misalignment, even by a small margin, may cause premature wear, uneven pressure distribution, or even catastrophic failure. Therefore, precise alignment is checked using calibrated instruments, making sure the valve operates in its intended axis relative to upstream and downstream piping.
Once correct orientation and alignment are established, the focus shifts to torque specification adherence. Every valve has unique requirements for bolt tightening, defined explicitly in engineering documentation. Over-torquing can warp flanges, crush gaskets, or strip threads, leading to leaks or mechanical damage. Under-torquing, on the other hand, can result in gaps and loosening under pressure cycles. Utilizing certified torque wrenches and closely following the specified sequence and values, technicians document the torque applied to every bolt, guaranteeing even, repeatable sealing forces throughout the system.
With the valves positioned and secured, cleanliness becomes the next priority. Before any system is introduced to process fluids, it is essential to remove construction debris, dust, scale, and other contaminants. Specialized flushing procedures utilize either water, air, or process-compatible solvents, circulated through the piping and valve internals at specified velocities. During flushing, filters or screens capture particulate matter, with cleanliness verified through sampling and visual inspection. In some cases, borescope evaluations are conducted for internal verification. This rigorous cleaning step prevents abrasive particles from entering sensitive components such as seats, stems, or actuators during initial operation, vastly reducing the risk of early valve failure.
Leak testing is the next critical phase. Before a system is authorized for startup, it must demonstrate leak-tight integrity at designated test pressures. Hydrostatic or pneumatic tests are performed depending on the system and valve rating. The testing medium is introduced, and any pressure decay or visible fluid egress around body joints, seats, or seals is closely monitored. The criteria for passing are strict. Even the faintest bubble or droplet can prompt a teardown, inspection, and reassembly. Only when the valve confidently withstands these tests, maintaining pressure within strict tolerances, can it be deemed fit for service.
Initial calibration follows next. For control valves and actuated valves, precise response to input signals is crucial for process reliability. Calibration procedures confirm that the valve fully opens and closes in response to designated control signals, and that it modulates accurately across its full range. Positioners, limit switches, and feedback devices are adjusted so that electronic or pneumatic signals correspond precisely to mechanical movements. Calibration data is recorded, and, if necessary, the actuation speed and fail-safe positions are fine-tuned. This ensures consistent, predictable control immediately upon system startup. Finally, every step of the installation and commissioning process is meticulously documented. Detailed commissioning reports are compiled, providing a comprehensive record of alignment checks, torque values, cleanliness inspections, test results, and calibration parameters. These reports serve as a critical reference for maintenance and compliance audits, confirming that each protocol has been rigorously followed and that the valve is ready to deliver reliable service. Thorough documentation not only supports operational transparency, but also paves the way for troubleshooting and process improvements in the future.
Through careful attention to valve orientation, torque specifications, cleanliness, leak integrity, and calibration, backed by comprehensive documentation, the robust commissioning of valves sets the foundation for safe, efficient, and trouble-free system performance.